Well, with the school year quickly approaching and COVID cases on the rise, parents are once again faced with the decision of whether to get their kids vaccinated.
Nationwide, the COVID hospitalization rate is up 14%, and the amount of deaths has shot up 8% recently. The number of vaccinated Americans now thought to be around 150 million. Jody Goldberg has more on what this means for students and parents.
When it comes to COVID-19,
numbers are coming up.
People we spoke with,
concerned. I work as a nurse, so it's always concerning,
are proceeding with caution.
I am vaccinated and I will get the booster just to be on the safe side.
Getting boosted this fall is what infectious disease specialist Dr. Henry Donahue recommends. He suggests waiting for the newest one that's expected out by the end of September.
Current boosters that are available are based on previously circulating strains of COVID. It's better than nothing, but the boosters available in the next month may be more tailored to what we're seeing right now.
And as different strains develop, Donahue says people are pretty much seeing the same symptoms:
congestion, sore throat, fever, cough.
He recommends common sense, avoiding others or wearing a mask when you're sick or around those with compromised immune systems.
The pattern we've seen over the last few years is as we move into the fall, we see a rise in cases and increased spread in the community.
This week, the Northwell Health System is seeing 140 COVID hospitalizations. That's up 28% week over week and nearly 90% from the previous month. Now, these numbers are relative. This time last year, there were some 350 cases. And on the worst day of the pandemic, back in April of 2020, they were seeing 3,400 cases.
Get the booster with the flu shot and everything else, so spring's pretty standard now these days.
As for children, this year's return to school is expected to be one of the most normal since the start of the pandemic. However, pediatricians are still recommending the vaccine.
My advice is to definitely be vaccinated with the primary series of COVID vaccines in order to prevent illness.
Adjusting with the times and using common sense to avoid getting sick. Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.